What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. I've just got my Osmo Pocket here, and I really love this device. But one of the problems is if you want to set it up to take some selfies or to track yourself, it's not really designed for that. So how do we fix it? A number of companies make bases for it, and as you can see on a perfectly flat surface here without any wind or anything disturbing it, I don't have to worry about it falling over. But as soon as that gimbal starts moving, you got some issues. Now, I bought this because it was actually a fairly cheap one, and I think even Osmo makes a base for this, but I wanted to just get one and have an inexpensive one with me on trips or whatever. Oh, I'm just gonna rip this open because the packaging doesn't want to seem to open up. Because it seems like it would be really nice to have a little base like this to be able to, you know, set it down, take a selfie photo, take videos of yourself. It does have a tracking feature, which is pretty nice. And as you can see, it's not really big here. It's maybe, I'd say maybe 1.5 inches, 1.75 inches in diameter. And you can see here we've got a little waffle pattern. It's a little rubber base on there. So it seems like it stays there without sliding. That's pretty nice. This is all hard plastic up here and even a little foam bottom in there so that you're not going to scratch up the base right there, and you should kind of insulate that from any sound or anything that would transfer. So cut out just a little bit right there, but it's a nice tight fit, but not so much that it's obviously scratching the sides, but it stays on by its own. So that's pretty cool. Now I can set this down, you know, take some time lapse, whatever, and it'll work really well on this Osmo Pocket, and will, you know, go with me on my next vacation so that I can make sure that I get some nice, good, steady shots, especially when I don't have someone there to shoot me, which is really sad because I'm getting mobbed by people all the time, and it's just nice to have someone else holding the camera. All right, I guess we'll end on a lie. I'll put a link to this base in the description. Peter from Panda, out.